2004 Ford Crown Victoria ex-police car. The first thing you will hear is me going into reverse gear while holding the brakes, just to hear the transmission make a lot of noise. The second thing you will hear is the power steering unit. I'm now getting in the car and I'm going to put it in reverse gear. Right now I'm going to run the engine, not in reverse, in park right now. Now I'll put it in reverse. Reverse gear now. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Now, power steering. I'm turning the steering wheel right now. That's the power steering unit right there. That's the power steering pump. And the video.